It's bird feeding day. Just putting up a second video. We have Diva, baby girl, Thomas, Timmy, and Kato. And Mama finally decided to make an appearance. See how many. We have any birds out there yet? No, but they're all up on the fence. You know when the bird lands because everybody ducked down really, really low. Such concentration. Oh, something's going on. Get it, baby girl. Oh, get it, baby girl. She's peeking over the snowbank. Timmy's eyes are huge. Let's peek around the corner. See what we got. Oh, there's birds there. There's birds there. Oh, I better hide again. Oh, get it, baby girl. She wants one of those birds really bad. But fortunately for her, she's an indoor cat, so no birds for her. Waiting for Timmy or Thomas to jump at the window because they did it yesterday and they scared the birds away. Hi, Timmy. This video is going to be longer than I anticipated. Let's peek for birds again. There they are. There's the birdies. Oh, I better move back. Oh, Kato's moving in for the kill. And here comes Honey. There's Mama, and Honey's under there. And Edward's coming out to see what's going on. And Shadow, you get away from them birds. I know. Shadow, stop it. Oh, see? Everybody scared them away. Anyway, this is the fun at the house. Bye-bye. Bye, baby girl. You'll get one, baby. You'll get one, baby. Yes, you will.